Welcome guys to another video. So I can guess y'all already know what this title means. So we will be explaining why figure makes noises like those weird noises. So yeah. Alright, let's start the video. The reason why figure makes those noises is because he uses echo echolocation. If you don't know what echolocation is, well, just go find it on the internet. But anyways, he uses echolocation around the library to hear footsteps and stuff. So yeah, that's what people makes those noises, and it's easier for him to find you. Oh, and here's a tip: if you're in Figure's room, do not stand up at all. This video was very very short, so I hope you already click that like and subscribe button. Okay, if you're wondering why you're still here watching this,